Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. You know what this country needs? Peace, love, and understanding? No. A political and spiritual religious revival in America? No. What we need is more butterfly knife utility knives like this. You know things get serious when I take the glove off. Alright, so, see the pocket clip there, skeletonized handles, right, that's titanium alloy. You see that latch? So if you squeeze this, the latch will open. This can flip out. You can open this one-handed. Alright, it's a utility knife. This comes with a tool. Comes with an extra, another pocket clip. Comes with that tool that you can adjust it with. So this is held in there, right? It's screwed in there, right? So this is firmly in there. You unscrew those to replace the blade. Remember to light up the comments section. It really helps with the algorithm, especially if you enjoy seeing cool stuff like this. By all means, leave a positive comment. Can be anything, doesn't have to be about knives. Tell me how you're doing, man. I'm interested. I make my videos for my friends on here. Hey, I happen to have thousands of friends. What can I say? Alright, so light up the comments section, and I really appreciate that. TGZUO, that's the brand. Probably pronounced that wrong. It's a utility knife. It flips open. It's basically a Balisong utility knife. The handles are made of titanium alloy, so it's very light, 2.88 ounces, and it also has a pry feature, bottle opener, and it is $50. Now, why is it so expensive? Because it's that titanium alloy. All right, now I already cut a few things with this. I already tested it out, but it's still sharp. Got a piece of a box. Alright, so of course it can do that. Now, one thing you got to remember, if you flip this enough, those pivots will probably come loose. So every once in a while you want to check if those are coming loose. And also when you first get it, that's something you want to check with every Balisong and trainer. It also has this pry feature right here, which they say, you know, you can open paint cans and stuff like that. Alright, I have a shipping container here. Pretend it's the paint can. Alright, so a little pry like this is always useful. Alright, so you saw that. Alright, so it's got a pry bar function, and they also said that you can use that as a bottle opener. I have to try not to bump the tripod, so we're going to go nice and easy. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's pretty useful. So it's basically a multi-tool. It's a utility knife, pry bar, and bottle opener. And it has one more function. You can take the blade out and you can use it as a Balisong trainer. Alright. Oh, you hear the freight train? Alright, so I have a lot of subscribers that work in shipping and inventory and stocking, deliveries. Basically jobs where they need a utility knife. I'm sure it's very illegal in a lot of places. Where I live, Balisongs are perfectly legal. So, but even so, this is sold on Amazon, but for some reason Amazon refused to ship it to me, so I acquired it by other means. But I'll include the link. If just depends what they feel like, where they feel like shipping it, but I'll include that link. But it is available on other, even shadier sites if that becomes necessary.